The After Effects User Guide is a step-by-step, fast-paced course focused on helping you master the essentials of Adobe After Effects. This class is for you if you want to be able to open Adobe After Effects and not feel confused or overwhelmed or get frustrated because you don't know how things really work. I created this course to be the exact course that I wish I had had when I first started teaching myself how to use After Effects. In hindsight, which is always 20/20, I now realize if I had only focused more on mastering the basics instead of jumping in and trying to learn all about the cool effects and things you could do, it would have saved me years of frustration and trial and error, and it would have unlocked the power of After Effects for me so much sooner. So who am I? Well, my name is Mike Murphy. I'm a full-time content creator based in Old Naples, Florida. You can go to my website to learn more about me, and you'll find links to my online courses, my podcasts, but I'd probably recommend that you start on my YouTube channel, which I started in 2015, and I'm proud to say that I have uploaded over 1,500 tutorials since I launched my channel. When you go to my YouTube channel and click on playlists, or if you scroll down, you will find an After Effects playlist. And if you were to pull a Netflix and binge watch the nearly 550 After Effects tutorials that are currently in this playlist, your head would be full of all sorts of useful and cool After Effects tips, tricks, and techniques, which is a good thing. But when it comes time to open After Effects and work on your own projects without the step-by-step guidance from a tutorial, you might still find that you're confused or not sure where to begin. Not to worry, the After Effects User Guide is going to help you learn and master the essential skills that you need to work on any project in After Effects with confidence. And to help you decide if this course is right for you, here is a sneak peek into the After Effects User Guide. Unit 1 is getting started. If you're brand new to Adobe or After Effects, Unit 1 is going to walk you through how to install, uninstall, how to navigate around the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Then we'll open up After Effects, take a full tour of the After Effects interface. We'll then look at how you can customize the After Effects interface by rearranging panels and menus, using the default workspaces, or creating and saving your own custom workspaces. And finally, we'll look at the After Effects preferences or settings so you can optimize After Effects. Each unit ends with a review or a recap and practice exercises. Unit 2, we get to work. How to start a new After Effects project. How to keep your After Effects projects organized. How to add or import footage into After Effects, creating and saving new project files, then your introduction to compositions, which is where all the magic happens in After Effects. You'll learn the secret of how to import Photoshop and Illustrator files. Then it's on to adding footage to the composition and working in the Layers panel and the timeline. And when you're all done, how to save and close your After Effects projects. Unit 3, we make things move. And animation in After Effects is all about understanding how keyframes work. You'll then learn about the anchor point, which confuses many, but it won't confuse you after this lesson. When it comes to animating in After Effects, the transform properties are your best friends. You'll hear me say this a lot, but learning the keyboard shortcuts for the transform properties are a must. Then it's on to working with text layers and the very powerful text animators. You'll learn about solid layers to add color backgrounds and so much more. You'll learn all about the pen tool and the shape tool so you can create vector-based shape layers and layer masks to cut things out. And if you want to put videos or animated textures inside of text or shapes, for that we're going to look at track mats. Unit 4 is why most people open After Effects. That is for the fun stuff, effects and presets. You will learn to add, customize, and animate effects. Then on to animation presets, which are basically done-for-you bundles of effects, which are awesome. If you have ever worked in a graphic software program such as Photoshop, well then you should be familiar with blend modes and layer styles, and you'll learn how they work in After Effects. In Unit 3, you learned how to animate using keyframes. In Unit 4, you're going to learn the second way to animate in After Effects, and that is using snippets of code called expressions. You'll learn about my favorite, the wiggle expression, as well as how to endlessly loop your animations using the loop expressions. You'll also learn how to work with audio, and if you're a podcaster, content creator, you'll see just how easy it is to create audio visual animations that you can share online. Unit 5, you'll take everything you've learned and create an animation from start to finish. Then learn how to export or render your animations using the render queue and Adobe Media Encoder. And then you'll see how you can export alpha channels or transparency and create animated GIFs to share with the world. So what do you say? If you are finally ready to learn how to use Adobe After Effects and unlock your creative potential so you can create motion graphics, animations, and so much more, sign up for the After Effects User Guide, and I look forward to seeing you in class. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.